Colorado's red flag laws remain in the spotlight when we're talking about the Club Q shooting. Colorado is one of just 19 states with this law. It allows law enforcement, family members, or a roommate to petition a judge to try to take away a person's gun if they are deemed a risk. Brandon Richards spoke with one lawmaker who believes some changes need to be made to our state's red flag laws to stop violent crimes from happening.
The Club Q shooting suspect's 2021 arrest for allegedly making bomb threats has put Colorado's red flag law back in the spotlight and left lawmakers looking at potential changes. Local officials have declined to comment on the matter, but it appears they didn't pursue court actions to have the suspect's guns taken away as the law would allow.
I'm not privy to all of the information, especially the law enforcement information in Colorado Springs, but I think it's worth looking at.
The governor and some lawmakers, like State Representative Meg Froelich, say it may be time to consider changes, like expanding who can petition a court.
There has been discussions of whether or not physicians or district attorneys could be added to the list of people.
Froelich, who chairs a new gun violence prevention caucus, says that's just a start.
No matter what tweaks we make to the red flag law, we're going to have to look at implementation and look at enforcement.
Some law enforcement officials opposed the law since before it even passed.
The bill itself is a scheme for gun confiscation without due process and strikes at the heart of the right to keep and bear arms.
I believe that protecting the constitutional rights of my constituents comes before enforcing a law that might violate those same rights.
It is common for local authorities to oppose all sorts of legislation, and it is up to us to then react legislatively.
It's unclear what lawmakers can do, and there's no way of knowing if anything would have prevented the Club Q shooting. But after the tragedy, the pressure may be on to do something. In Denver, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
Digging deeper, according to Everytown for Gun Safety, more than half of mass shooters from 2009 to 2020 displayed warning signs prior to the shootings. If red flag laws had been in place and acted upon, this group argues 596 lives may have been saved in that time frame.